Traders, get excited for a game-changing tool in your trading journey. Introducing the Forex Pip Expert Advisor based on the Relative Strength Index. The RSI is a powerful tool that helps identify overbought and oversold conditions, guiding traders to entry and exit points. It measures price movement speed, aiding in spotting potential trend reversals. RSI suits various trading styles and timeframes, making it essential for all investors. Entry criteria. The EA opens buy or sell trades based on RSI. It goes long when RSI crosses below oversold, and short when RSI crosses above overbought. Exit criteria. Trades can close on take profit, trailing stop loss, or break even. Risk management. Set a fixed lot size or dynamic lot size based on risk % of equity. Stop loss and take profit. Set stop loss and take profit in pips, tailoring it to your strategy. Trailing stop loss. Benefit from trailing stop loss for high profits and an optimal exit point. Break even. Lock in certain profits with break-even points. Alerts. Receive alerts on mobile, email, and MetaTrader desktop for placed orders. RSI settings. Modify RSI parameters like overbought level, oversold level, RSI period, and applied price. Live market. The MT4 RSI EA runs in the live market across all charts and pairs. Backtesting and optimization. Backtest and optimize parameters to find the best configuration for your strategy. Ready to use RSI in your trading? Download RSI EA from Forex Pip Store now. Smash the like button, subscribe for more insights.